Linux Mint is building a native screenshot tool for Cinnamon. If you use Linux Mint with the Cinnamon desktop, you might be excited to hear that the project is working on a new, built-in screenshot utility tailored specifically for Cinnamon. This isn't just a reskinned version of an existing tool. It's designed from the ground up to solve long-standing quirks around window shadows, corners, and multi-monitor setups. What's wrong with the current screenshot tool? Right now, Cinnamon relies on the GTK-based gnome-screenshot utility, which already works fine for most everyday tasks. But when you capture an app window, the tool doesn't render true window shadows, and you often end up with semi-transparent, dark pixels around the corners where the drop shadow bleeds in. For content creators or bloggers who regularly use screenshots in articles or videos, that means extra time spent cleaning up edges in an image editor. How the new screenshot tool fixes corner and shadow issues. The new Cinnamon screenshot utility takes a smarter approach to app window screenshots. For CSD, client-side decoration windows, where the app toolkit itself draws the frame and shadows, the tool can capture the window with its natural shadows intact. For SSD, server-side decoration windows, where the Muffin window manager is responsible, the tool either preserves or recreates the shadow, so your screenshots look clean and consistent. And if you prefer screenshots without shadows, just the window frame, the new tool automatically cleans up the corners. That means those semi-transparent black pixels around the edges are removed, giving you sharp, crisp window shots right out of the box, without needing to manually mask them later. Features beyond just clean corners. The new screenshot utility is built to feel familiar but more powerful. You can still capture the full desktop, a specific monitor, or only a selected region, just like in gnome-screenshot, but now with multi-monitor support baked in, so you can snap all connected displays at once. It also includes a basic cropping tool with an undo option, letting you tweak the composition before saving or copying to the clipboard. And it keeps the conveniences many users already like. The option to show or hide the mouse pointer, and a delay timer so you can set up your window layout before the screenshot is taken. One small but handy touch is the ability to automatically open the file manager with the Save Screenshot pre-selected, making it easy to grab the file and start using it straight away. Command line and integration with Cinnamon. On the command line side, the new tool is designed to behave largely the same as gnome-screenshot. So scripts and keyboard shortcuts that rely on the existing interface should continue to work with minimal changes. In the desktop, the screenshot function is expected to be integrated directly into Cinnamon, triggered either by keyboard shortcuts or an indicator in the panel, similar to how GNOME handles it. When will you be able to try it? The new screenshot utility is being developed alongside the next major update for the Cinnamon desktop, which will ship with Linux Mint 23. Linux Mint has announced that this release is targeting Christmas 2026, based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS and Cinnamon 6.7. So, if you're a Cinnamon user who spends time cleaning up screenshots for blogs, videos, or documentation, you'll likely be able to test this new tool in the final release later this year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily videos. Bye.